In front of me is HONOR X7d, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. Don't worry, to clone apps on this HONOR you don't need any special app or any trick. That's because you can do that using only devices settings. So let's begin by opening those settings and scrolling a tiny bit to hit apps. Now click on App Twin right away and tap on gray switcher next to any app you wanna clone. Unfortunately, if you can't see your app here, that means that it's not supported by App Twin. After tapping on gray switcher and waiting, you can go back to check if your app was successfully cloned. So when I do that, I can see that my Facebook is here and clone of it is over here. Now if you will ever want to get rid of your cloned app, you can go back to the same settings and use blue switcher. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up by tapping on close. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!